This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Crystal Sawyer. Beautiful 2-story home, with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms and over 2,000 square feet. Updated kitchen with granite countertop, new cabinets, and newer stainless steel appliances. First level has all new high-grade laminate flooring. First floor laundry. All bathrooms have been updated, new flooring, vanities, lighting. New carpet on second floor. Rooms are very spacious. Large master suite with updated bathroom. Home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac and close to the community pool, playgrounds and trails. Central location, close to shopping, restaurants and not a long commute to bases. 1-year home warranty. This home is a must-see.